Hey, so if you want to build a central place where your team or customers can find answers and guides, yeah, Confluence is perfect for creating a knowledge base. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to create a knowledge base in Confluence in 2026. First thing, create a new space and choose the knowledge base template. Next, plan your categories like FAQs and tutorials. All right, create main pages for each category. Now add detailed articles. Each page should cover one topic. Next, use templates for consistency. All right, add labels to organize content. Now, link-related pages for better navigation. Next, use search features to help users find content. And yeah, share and update your knowledge base regularly. So that's how you create a knowledge base in Confluence. Once set up, it becomes a powerful information hub.